Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your past orders on the Taco Bell app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your past orders. Maybe you want to make sure that you ordered something correctly, or maybe you want to make sure that you did order something. How do you actually go ahead and see your past orders on the Taco Bell app? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Taco Bell app. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Then on the middle hand side, click on My Orders. Now, on this page here, you should see your recent orders on the Taco Bell app, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your past orders on the Taco Bell app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.